Welcome back to the channel. In 2025, managing and growing enterprise requires an ERP that can keep up. Oracle NetSuite has been a standard for years, but is it still the best choice? Let's break it down. NetSuite combines finance, CRM, inventory, and e-commerce into one cloud-based platform. It gives real-time insights across your entire business, automates processes, and supports global operations with multi-currency and multi-subsidiary features. Its scalability and customization make it ideal for large companies or fast-growing businesses that need everything connected in one place. NetSuite is not just a software, it's a central hub that keeps teams' data and operations aligned so business can make smarter decisions faster. If you want a proven, enterprise-grade ERP in 2025, Oracle Suite still delivers power, flexibility, and control. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share and hit the bell for more reviews.